Create worksheets in 10 minutes using Canva AI, completely free. If you're an educator, tutor, or parent creating learning resources, this workflow will save you hours. Most people use Canva manually. But Canva now includes AI tools that can generate structured worksheet content instantly. Here's how to use it properly. Step 1 is starting with a clear outcome. Instead of opening a blank page and guessing what to write, define the learning objective first. For example, Year 2 students practicing CVC words. Clarity makes AI useful. Step 2 is using Magic Write inside Canva Docs. Open a Canva doc and type a structured prompt, such as, create a printable worksheet for Year 2 students practicing CVC words. Include 10 fill-in-the-blank questions and 5 simple sentence completion tasks. The AI will generate a full draft in seconds. Step 3 is simplifying and formatting. Rewrite any sections that feel too complex. Adjust language to match your age group. Then convert the document into a worksheet layout. Use simple fonts. Add spacing. Insert boxes for writing. Step 4 is visual support. Use Canva's AI image generation or built-in elements to add small, relevant visuals. Keep visuals minimal and supportive, not distracting. Step 5 is polish and export. Review the worksheet for clarity and readability. Export as a PDF for printing or sharing digitally. This entire process can take under 10 minutes once you know what you're building. The key difference is this: instead of designing from scratch, you're generating structure first, then refining. AI should speed up structure, not replace your judgment. If you create learning materials regularly, this approach dramatically reduces prep time.